All right, I grabbed another student who's excited to be back. How are you?
Hi.
Tell us your name and what program you are.
My name is Logan, and I'm in the robotics and advanced manufacturing class.
All right, you're going to be a senior.
So I'm going to be a senior, yeah.
What's your homeschool?
I'm actually homeschooled, like in
Okay.
my house. Yeah,
Well, we're so glad you chose us, and we're so glad you're back here. Did you have a good summer?
I did.
Tell me one exciting thing you did this summer.
Not much. I went to Kings Island a lot this year. This summer.
Luckily, it's close, so yeah. Did you sleep in a lot?
Every day, like to 12 o'clock.
Are you ready to start getting up early, though, next week?
No,
Well,
I'm not ready.
don't be late to school.
I won't.
What's the most exciting thing you're looking forward to this school year?
Early job placement we're doing inside our class. Looking forward to that.
Fantastic. That's a great opportunity, isn't it?
Yep.
And so then you can learn skills on the job instead of coming to school, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds like a pretty good gig. So we're excited you're back. I'm sure it's going to be a great school year, and I'm sure you're going to do a great job.